Rizwan Saeed Sheikh.
It is a moment which perhaps marks history in the sense that cricket roadshow from Pakistan is perhaps taking place for the first time ever in history. PSL Roadshow 2025 has a program that you have all seen. The players are with us, the investors are with us. The moderator has just mentioned that PSL over the past decade has had a great impact on not only Pakistan as a major cricketing nation, but around the world through its viewership in terms of the fiercely competitive spirit, the spirit of the game that it promoted over the past decade. The next PSL is going to be a celebration of this decade of success, and let me be on record in congratulating Mr. Salman Nasir and his team for the wonderful job that they have done consistently. I remember that for the first time when PSL started, it was under the shadow of a bigger tournament, and there were doubts and apprehensions that it will not stand the test of time. But like we saw about 7 months back, over 88 hours, Pakistan defies expectations. And this we are what we are beyond perhaps the expectations.
न्यूयॉर्क में पहली बार पाकिस्तान सुपर लीग का रोड शो हो रहा है, जिसका कुछ हिस्सा आपने मुलाहिजा किया।
Steadily tapering down our energy tariffs. There is, we are the third largest English-speaking nation in the world. We are perhaps the most youthful nation of the world, with 65% of our population below the age of 30. So there are citizens of the world in Pakistan. And when it comes to United States, being two mega countries of today and tomorrow, today US is the third largest population, we are fifth. In 2 decades, and in a light vein, like it or not, given our population growth rate, which is our most credible statistic by the way, we would beat United States, and we would be number 3 in about 2 decades, and the United States would be number 4. The point I want to make is that between two mega countries of today and tomorrow, relations, good relations, is not a matter of choice, if and when, or ifs and buts. No, it's an imperative. It's a compulsion for the future of the world, with particular reference to Pakistan's geostrategic, geoeconomically significant location. So that is where I would want you to consider Pakistan, apart from, in addition to the PSL roadshow that you are looking at, as a major investment destination for tomorrow. We have a youthful cohort of population. In IT, for instance, we have the quality competitive, the cost competitive solution for you. I've already mentioned that when it comes to labor costs, Pakistan is 174% cheaper than China, but in IT, we are definitely cost competitive compared to any of our competitors. And I'm trying to underline and underscore any in a bold font. In terms of any of our competitors, Pakistan offers in IT the best quality, cost competitive solution. We are having an investment conference, hopefully in February, before Ramadan, under the auspices of US Chamber of Commerce. And there will be more details, so I would want some of the investors present here to join us there as well. But please, while we look at the cricketing options for Pakistan, cricketing investment in Pakistan, a nation where cricket carries the significance of nearly a religion. It's the most passionate youth that is fond of it. The mood of the nation swings, and I'm again using a cricketing term, swings with the, in front of the Sultan of Swing. I'm using.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।